Hello. In this video, we go over the Plan View panel tools. All tendons, which is the default state of the map showing all tendons in all directions. You can choose to show vertical or horizontal tendons. These options are great to have a better visibility and less noise on busy maps. You can always click on all tendons to show all tendons again. Chairs visibility. It shows and hides the generated or intermediate chairs. The elevations visibility draws a front view of all tendons parabola. Or you can display the elevation by tendon by using the elevation visibility by tendon here, and then select a tendon of your choice. Finally, the chair gap visibility. This one allows you to show the distance between all original and intermediate chairs on the map. You can always refer to the vertical tendons button or horizontal tendon button in order to reduce the noise on the map. In addition, for heavier maps and to enhance more the visibility, you can go to Settings and choose to have a small font on the map and apply. And it will get even better. Thank you.